My grandma's story. My grandmother lives with our family. She tells us bedtime stories every night. My brother and I listen carefully to her stories. Grandma always smiles and hugs us before sleeping. We love our grandmother very much. Questions. Who lives with the family? The grandmother lives with the family. What does grandma tell every night? Grandma tell bedtime stories every night. Who listens carefully? Bro- my brother listens carefully. What does grandma do before sleeping? Grandma always smiles and hugs us before sleeping. Do they love their grandma? Yes, they love their grandma.